All this week we're out of the kitchen and tasting all sorts of favorites that are served at fairs around the country. You know, and a few things that I've learned from going to so many fairs over the years is you should never pig out before going on a ride that flips you upside down and spins you around faster than the speed of light. And if you plan on trying one of everything, make sure you pace yourself. I know that's pretty hard to do when you're face to face with so many goodies, like these irresistible cream puffs that they make at the Wisconsin State Fair, which are the size of softballs. When we say irresistible, we mean it. Each year during the fair, they sell more than 350,000 of them, and every one of them is baked freshly right at the fair. You see, after the shells are baked, they're cut in half and filled with mounds of freshly whipped cream before the tops are put back on. And for those of you who can't get to the fair, we have an easy recipe for them that you can make at home. Right before serving these, you finish them with lots of powdered sugar. Then you better open up wide, because these are no ordinary cream puffs. They're humongous. To get the recipe for our State Fair cream puffs, all you have to do is go online and you'll be good to go. I'm Howard from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, and once I finish these off, I'm off to find other fair favorites, ones that'll have you saying, ooh, it's so good.